back to the channel. Y'all, today I'm trying to put a start on this lawnmower, this Craftsman lawnmower that's getting on my nerves. It seems like I gotta work on it every couple of months or something. But today, this is what it's doing, it's dragging. So I'm about to replace the starter, and the starter is right here. Got this bolt running down here. That was the first thing. I already took the little hood thing off right there, but I gotta take this cover off. And this is your fuel pump. So you got 2 10s right here, 10 here and 1 down here. I ain't gonna take the lines and then out, just the 2 screws so I can move the cover. Check out my set right here, guys. If y'all want to get this set, I'm gonna have a link in the description. Let me show y'all what's in here. Just like a lot of the basic stuff. It's pretty cool. Get all the little stuff you might need in here. Hold on. Let me show y'all what I got in here. Well, this some little knickknack stuff, but it do come with this tray right here. Just put some little stuff in there. Move the gloves out the way. Set this little tray over here. Show y'all. You see, we got the 1/4 drive. Come with a little cover on there. You got your 1/4 drive extension. I mean, with this little ratchet 1/4. Then you got a little extension, some little wrenches in here. Even some of these right here, like basically all the stuff, tools you might need for a basic setup. Then you move these. Hold on, let me get my camera right. Hope y'all can see, because it's a little shady right here. And you just pick this box up. They all got little things on the side where you can stick your hand in there and pick them up. So just set this one over here. And this the top. And then they even in order, guys. This the top part. You see the say top right here for the 1/4 drive. Then on the second shelf, you got the 3/8 drive for the middle. So you can't get them wrong because they go in here a certain way. So I'm just showing y'all what's all in here. You got spark plug sockets, swivel, extension, 3/8 drive, all your sockets. You got regular ones. And I think this one got deep well. And you got deep well sockets and all that. And this one go up to a 7/8 over here on the long and the short. And this one, I think, on the 1/4 drive, go up to like a 14 at the highest, I think. Yeah, 14. So, let me see about the wrenches. The wrenches go up to a 1/2 inch over here and a 12 on those. You got metric and standard in there. Same thing with the sockets. You got metric and standard sockets in here, so you can switch them up. Take that box out. Set it over to the side. Then this the 1/2 inch, the bottom drive. You see right here? Say bottom. Same setup. Got your 1/2 inch ratchet, swivel, extension. They can give you a long, you get a short one. But yeah, y'all, this is a nice little set. I like it. I'm gonna represent, you know. As y'all know, I really use a lot of hand tools. I don't really use the power tools. On some stuff I do, because it makes it quicker, but it's always good to have your little set where you can, you know what I'm saying, do it. So if y'all want to get this set, it's a 226 piece set. And then they offer other boxes too. And it's got the weather stripping on here. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna get no water in it. You close it down, lock it. It's good to go. So, like I said, if y'all want to get it, y'all click the link in the description. Y'all go cop it and let me know how y'all like it. Y'all get. Let me show y'all the side. They got little handles on the side too. You know what I'm saying? With a little spring action on them. Little spring action on both sides. And then you got these right here. I don't even know what these for. I don't know if you might can like lock. Oh yeah, this is the box where you can get another box and it'll lock on top of it. But I don't have that one. I don't have that one yet. But y'all go cop this. Link in the description. Let's get started on that, because I ain't got much time. I'm going to start over here. Get this one off here. It's a size 8mm, y'all. I'm just telling y'all where. I ain't got all the screws in here, so that's how I do. Y'all know how I do sometimes. And it's been sitting for some months now. Cause somebody look at this cat. I swear these cats. He is over there in the toolbox. Look at her. What she doing? I don't know my little thing. Sorry, you stop that. He's trying to dig some holes over there. I'm gonna put this over here, y'all.
Okay, guys.
Get out there, kitty.
We got to read that. So we got to.
He trying to tell y'all what we doing, what we finna do. Tell him. Tell him about it. Alright, y'all, then you just pull it up here. Oh, I forgot. Look at me. I'm trying to tell y'all how to do something. I forgot to take out my my filter over here that I told y'all. I mean my fuel pump that I told y'all about. Man, that came out quick. I just dropped it on the ground. This stuff just plastic anyway. So get out of that. Get that hose there. Move that out your way. Just sit this off to the side. Oh yeah, this is a Craftsman lawnmower too, guys. That GDS 6500. Hold on. Good job, little kitty.
Yeah, you better get out. Yo, Mom. I know what it is.
Don't mess with it, baby.
I know
What it is? What it is? No, don't take them out now. All right, guys. So, this wire right here run to your little solenoid you got right here. And this is size 11, I think. Yeah, a size 11 millimeter. Put that back, baby. Put it back. You no, because the battery charger is plugged up. Put it back over there.
Oh, this cocoa is not working.
You said it's not working?
Yeah.
And I just kind of took it out the way a little bit. Somewhere if I can find this place. Okay. Those mosquitoes biting, ain't it? I said, oh, the mosquitoes are biting, huh? They biting me. Okay, and then these are the one that hold the starter on right here. They're size 10. Also, you got two right there and right there. Okay, put them in. Hopefully y'all can still see what I'm doing. I tell y'all, these ain't gonna, mosquitoes ain't playing. I should have wore long sleeves, but it was really too hot for that.
It's by me and you.
You should have put some pants on, babe. I told you that before you came outside. He don't be listening. Now, when we first came over here, y'all, there wasn't even no mosquitoes over here.
Mom's a pain now.
Don't hit that. Don't hit it. Stop. You gonna go in the house, okay? Because you over there gonna be messed up something.
Oh, because it's not working.
What is that? What's that called? Huh?
It's called
It's called the engine?
Yeah.
Okay, it's part of the engine.
Mama, what this?
Okay, guys.
What this?
Got this one off here. Alright.
I can.
Let me just throw this one down here. I tell you, I'm trying to hurry up, y'all, because these mosquitoes are biting me. Alright, this is a new starter here. Take that long. Start it on the ground. Yeah, actually, look, it's a little, is it the same? Hold on, let me see.
Yep, that's the same one.
You said, yeah, that's the same one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You
But
know,
what is this?
don't drop it. Give it to me. Give it to me. Leave it on the ground for now. Okay, guys, let's get this back on here. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing, cause the way I got this here. Hold on, baby.
What?
No. Don't you be trying to screw that in now. Gotta find that nails.
There's a pipe.
Huh?
Yep, you want to just. Yep, the pipe.
You say yep is running again? Okay.
Yep.
And my
It
dipstick
is
that fell
too.
out, y'all.
Yep,
Hold on.
this is too.
I can't get no dirt down in there.
My
And I
ears
say
are
I
this.
swear it's dusty.
My ears are this.
And this little bracket hold a dipstick in too.
My ears are this. Your pizza will get dirty. My tire oil.
I already changed the oil on here before, baby.
Can I see? Can I see the oil? Can I see, Mama?
I just hand tighten it, y'all. I don't really, I ain't torquing it like. We're gonna see what it's gonna do. It don't take that long to put it on. See if it's gonna spin over fast.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if it's gonna actually crank all the way up yet, because I don't even know how much
this
gas is in it.
This is too. This is. Mama, what's this?
Shh, baby, be quiet. I'm on the video.
Yo, video.
Yeah, I'm recording the video. You see me? Don't forget to put that back on, guys. Well, you'll know if you don't, because it ain't gonna be saying nothing. Alright. Okay, sorry. Watch out, baby.
Okay.
I do need some more hoses over here. Now,
I got paint up. Mama, I got paint up.
is it gonna crank up?
Yeah, can I see it?
Okay. Let's see if it's gonna turn over faster. Watch out, don't touch me. Oh yeah, there she go now. I don't know, the thing be sounding like the battery might be over there. I'm trying to charge the battery up. My other starter had that on there. We didn't have nothing on there like that one. But yeah, but it is spinning fast, much faster, because the other one was definitely dragging.
What's this?
So yeah, guys, that's it. I just wanted to show y'all how to put the starter on. So we got it on in under 15 minutes. So I'm gonna put the cover back on here, and then I'm gonna put some gas in here and actually get it all the way running. I was short on time. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. Tell them bye.